Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy founded by Zeno of Citium in the early 3rd century BC, has transcended time to offer profound wisdom for modern life. The Stoics believed that inner peace is attainable by aligning our perceptions and actions with the natural order of the world. At the heart of Stoic philosophy lies the pursuit of tranquility and freedom from suffering through the cultivation of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. This article explores the essential principles of Stoicism and reveals practical strategies for achieving unshakable inner peace. The core tenets of Stoicism: Dichotomy of Control. One of the foundational concepts in Stoicism is the dichotomy of control, which distinguishes between things we can control and things we cannot. The Stoics teach that our inner peace depends on focusing our energy on what is within our control, our thoughts, actions, and attitudes, while accepting what is outside our control, such as other people's opinions, the past, and natural events. Virtue as the highest good. For the Stoics, virtue is the highest good and the key to a fulfilling life. Virtue comprises 4 cardinal qualities: wisdom, the ability to make sound decisions; courage, the strength to face adversity; justice, fairness in dealing with others; and temperance, self-control and moderation. By living virtuously, we align ourselves with the rational nature of the universe and find inner peace. Perception and judgment. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of perception and judgment. Our reactions to external events are determined by our judgments about them. By training ourselves to perceive events objectively and suspend immediate judgments, we can maintain equanimity in the face of adversity. Amor Fati, love of fate. Amor Fati, or the love of fate, is the Stoic practice of embracing all aspects of life, including suffering and misfortune, as necessary parts of the cosmic order. By accepting everything that happens as a part of our destiny, we can find peace and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Memento Mori, remember death. Memento Mori is the practice of reflecting on the inevitability of death. This contemplation is not meant to induce fear, but to remind us of the transient nature of life and to encourage us to live fully and mindfully in the present moment. Practical strategies for achieving inner peace. Daily reflection. The Stoics believed in the power of daily reflection. By setting aside time each day to review our actions and thoughts, we can identify areas for improvement and reinforce our commitment to living virtuously. This practice helps cultivate self-awareness and guides us toward consistent personal growth. Journaling. Keeping a journal is a powerful Stoic exercise. Writing down our thoughts, challenges, and insights helps us process our experiences and gain clarity. It also serves as a tool for self-examination and accountability, allowing us to track our progress in living according to Stoic principles. Meditation on negative visualization. Negative visualization, or premeditatio malorum, involves contemplating potential hardships and setbacks. By mentally preparing for difficulties, we can reduce their impact and appreciate what we have. This practice fosters resilience and gratitude, enhancing our inner peace. Mindfulness and presence. Mindfulness, the practice of staying present and fully engaged in the current moment, aligns with Stoic teachings. By focusing on the here and now, we can prevent our minds from being overwhelmed by regrets about the past or anxieties about the future. Mindfulness allows us to appreciate life as it unfolds and respond to challenges with calm and clarity. Voluntary discomfort. The Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort to build resilience and fortitude. By intentionally exposing ourselves to minor hardships, such as fasting or cold showers, we can strengthen our ability to endure and remain composed in the face of genuine adversity. Gratitude. Cultivating gratitude is a cornerstone of Stoic practice. By regularly acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of our lives, we can shift our focus away from what we lack and find contentment in the present. Gratitude helps us maintain a balanced perspective and fosters a sense of inner peace. Community and relationships. Building and nurturing meaningful relationships is essential for a balanced life. The Stoics valued community and believed that living in harmony with others is crucial for achieving inner peace. By practicing empathy, kindness, and fairness in our interactions, we can create supportive networks that contribute to our well-being. Stoicism offers a timeless roadmap to inner peace through its profound insights into human nature and practical strategies for daily living. By embracing the dichotomy of control, living virtuously, mastering our perceptions, and practicing gratitude and mindfulness, we can cultivate unshakable inner peace. The Stoic secrets to tranquility lie not in escaping life's challenges, but in transforming our responses to them, ultimately leading to a more resilient, fulfilling, and serene existence.